My name's Alex Haugland. I'm a car collector out of Eugene, Oregon. My connection to AVANTS has come through Vintage Underground. I feel that the two fit very well together because of the fact that Vintage Underground isn't marque specific. They mostly do European, but not exclusively. Because as a restoration shop, they do something most shops don't do. They make cars run and drive like they did.
Vintage is such a cool partner. I didn't know Kai, I didn't know Alex, I didn't know Joe, but I knew of them because I had a number of Ferrari clients that have their vintage Ferraris there, and they're the best.
I'm Amy Haugland. I'm here because I married someone who loves cars, and then he got me into it. We joined AVANTS because we were invited to a show through Vintage Underground, and we loved it and joined the club that day.
The thing I like about this event is it's an opportunity to basically get out and enjoy and share the cars that we all love. That's really a great partnership between AVANTS and Vintage Underground.